Welcome to Vital Supplement Guide. If you're into deep sleep, sharp intuition, or even unlocking your inner clarity, today's video is for you. Let's explore the mysterious yet powerful effects of Pineal XT. Pineal XT is designed to awaken and support your pineal gland, often called the third eye. This small gland regulates your sleep, mood, and inner clarity, but it's often blocked by toxins and stress. Pineal XT uses ingredients like iodine, chaga mushroom, and burdock root to gently detox the body, enhance melatonin production, and improve your sleep and mental focus. It also includes shilajit and turmeric, both known for their rejuvenating effects on the mind and nervous system. Whether you're into meditation, dream clarity, or just want deeper rest, Pineal XT is worth looking into. That's a wrap on Pineal XT. If you're curious to give it a try, the link is waiting in the description. And if you're passionate about natural sleep, stress support, and wellness, hit that subscribe button for more weekly insights.